What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today I'm so excited to share this video with you guys and this strategy that I've been trading with. It's been giving me some good results ever since I started using it. It's pretty simple, pretty basic. Anybody with just a little bit of knowledge of forex or indicators will be able to use this strategy without a problem. And so before we jump into the video, there will be a link in the description and in the first comment, the pinned comment below, which will take you to Binance.com, the platform that I'll be using today in this video, and the platform that I use for my day trading with this strategy that I'm about to share with you guys. And if you haven't already signed up, you can do so by using this link, which will be my link, my referral link, which will give you a 20% discount every time you have to pay a transaction fee. So please go ahead and take advantage of that. Now let's jump into the video. And so I'll be showing you guys how to do this on a computer, but I do this on my phone. I've never traded using my computer just because it is exactly the same on the phone and it's much easier. You can do it anytime, anywhere you are. Doesn't really matter. So what I'll do is I'll show you on the computer, but it's basically the same thing, okay? So when you open up Binance.com, the first thing that you need to do is click on markets, which will take you to all the trading pairs. And then you need to click on spot markets because this strategy is for spot trading. And then basically what I'll do is in the 24-hour change, I will see what coin has performed really well. And by really well, I mean at least 10% and higher than that. Okay, so these are very good options right here, but the problem is these are already performing too well, very well. Okay, so I want to select something at 10% or around that 11% maximum, because then that will give me a good amount of margin so that the currency can perform even more well. Okay, so from 10% it can increase to 15% or even 20 or higher. So that gives me a little bit of a room to make more profit. So what I'll do is I will click on fiat markets and then I will click on USDT. So this will show me every USDT crossed pair. You guys can see BTC is crossed with the USDT, Sol is crossed with USDT. Ethereum, by the way, Sol, what a project today. It just skyrocketed. Ethereum crossed with it. So basically every single coin or project is crossed with USDT. And so I will see which coin is performing really well in the past 24 hours and not in the red. I want to buy. Okay, so I'm looking for the greens only. So the first one I can see over here is Sol. Okay, so if I click on Sol, it will take me to the trading interface. Now this is where it gets really simple. Okay, so if you're on the computer, you can either click on original or trading view. It's really the same thing. And also you can, so the strategy that I'm using today is the 3 moving averages strategy. And you can add these indicators on tradingview.com. You do not have to use this interface, but I use it over here because it's basically the same thing and it's much faster. I do not need to switch between websites. So I'm looking at tradingview.com, but I'm trading on Binance.com. So I mean, it's just more convenient, okay? But you can do whatever you find easy. So I will basically enlarge in this, okay? I'll make it full screen. And so the 3 moving averages that are already been added to the trading interface on Binance.com, you guys can see the first moving average is 7, the second is 25, and the third is 99. Okay, so I do not change anything here. I use these 3 moving averages for my day trading, or at least I have been for quite a while. Okay, and so I want to look for an uptrend, which is very clear. The 2 moving averages should be above the 99 moving average. So it's clear that it's an uptrend. And what I will look for is something like this green candle. Let me zoom in and show you guys something like this green candle. So this strategy is basically a mixture of price action, of candlestick patterns, not really, but price action and moving averages. Okay, so today I had a really good opportunity and I took advantage of this. You guys can see that the market came and tested the 99 moving average. Okay, so whenever this happens, this rejection and this candlestick pattern, I think it's called a hammer, I don't know, or a shooting star. I was never really good with the names of these candles. Okay, so please don't quote me on that. But when I saw this rejection on the 99 moving average, I still didn't enter the market over here. Okay, the rejection is the first thing that you need to wait for. So something like this. So you guys see that there was, I think all the crypto just dipped recently. Not really sure, but okay. So what I was saying is that I will see a rejection and then I will wait for a green candle after that, something like this, okay, which is engulfing the previous rejected candle and also showing me that it's a strong green candle now. Okay, so when I see this is when I enter. So I enter on the close of this green candle. My stop loss will be just below this rejection, okay, just below the wick of this rejected candle, and that's it. You shouldn't be concerned with how much is the supply of the coin, how much is the market going to go higher, how much it's no. You just have to set a realistic goal for yourself around $5 to $10 if that's what you are trading with. If you're trading on a smaller account, this is very realistic. Okay, and let me show you guys another example as well. Okay, so even over here on Ethereum, when I see so many rejections on the 99, you can see, first of all, there's so many rejections on the 99. And even over here, after this close, this green candle closed. Let me zoom in. After so many rejections, when you see the prices being stubborn, and then you see a green candle, engulfing candle like this, which is so strong, and then I would enter over here. But the problem is, like I said, this needs to happen at the 99, okay? And over here it's not happening at the 99. Over here though, over here it did happen at the 99. So you guys can see so many rejections, prices being stubborn, it doesn't really want to go down, small candles, but it's just ranging, but not going below this, not closing below the 99, okay? And then we saw this. When we see this is a very clear indication that the market is about to continue higher, okay? And so at the close of this green candle, I would have just entered, or at the imbalance. If you want to wait for the imbalance, you can see it does not get triggered in this case. So I would just enter, okay, my stop loss beneath the close of this, or this, actually, this red candle, okay? That's it. I will ride this until my goal is hit and I will exit the trade. I do not care if Ethereum over here was at 3,300 and then it goes until 4,000. I don't really care. That's what I'm saying. You should not concern yourself with where the market can head to next. Okay, no, you should just focus on your goal. $5 if on a smaller account, $10 per day if on a smaller account, per trade. I'm sorry, you sometimes you don't trade daily, but so if $10, that's enough. Okay, that's, I don't know how much percentage that is on a smaller account, but if you're growing 10% or $10, close the trade, exit the trade, close the computer, close the platform, go on with your day. Okay, you do not want to get stuck in multiple trades or in multiple markets. That is literally it, guys. All I do is I go to Binance.com, I look for something that is performing really well, more than 10% in the green percentage. Okay, the price is going higher, and then I click on it, I wait. If I see this price action happening at the 99 moving average, then I enter the trade. I look for a rejection and then an engulfing candle. I can enter at the rejection, but it is still a bit riskier. Okay, so if I enter on a rejection and then at the close of an engulfing candle, now that is really good confirmation, and so that increases my confidence in the trade. So it's all about patience. Every strategy, every method can work if you are disciplined enough. Okay, if you are patient, you follow a set of rules, trust me, every strategy works. And so before trying it out, you guys can go ahead and back test this on your own. Don't just jump into it right away just because you saw me doing or somebody showing you something and telling you it worked. Don't take my word for it. Back test it, see it for yourself, and then try it on a demo account maybe, and then, test the waters before you dive in. And so that's really it, guys. I hope you learned something new from this. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.